Laura Elizabeth Watson.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and your version of the truth to answer the most questions with the least words as fast as you can?
Absolutely.
She ready?
She's ready.
How do you spell Marlboro Red?
Marlboro Red. Oh my gosh. M-A-R-L-B-O-R-O-R-E-D.
Very good.
Very good.
Wow.
Are you related to Deshaun Watson?
No.
Denise Watson?
No.
Sherlock Holmes' best friend, Dr. Watson?
No.
What do you eat on your Marburger? Well, first, what
On
temperature?
my Marburger?
Yeah, medium rare?
I'm
Well
a
done?
medium rare kind of girl.
Okay, lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles.
Lettuce, pickles.
Okay, next.
Isn't it true you matriculated at Texas Technical University?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And what's your mascot?
We have Raider Red, and then we also have the Masked Rider.
What do y'all raid?
What do we rate? Anything that we can. We're just trying to win those football games.
Is Raider Red a horse?
No, Raider Red is actually the mascot. He looks like Yosemite Sam.
He does look like Yosemite
Yeah.
Sam, or
And
the
so-
Hamburglar with the mask.
That just got a color dye on his mustache and beard. So
Yeah,
yes.
he has a legit Brussels British.
He does, he
Raider
does.
stash. So what's your rally cry?
So it's get your guns up.
I don't like that terminology.
Yeah, that sounds...
I think you're going to
Well,
get
it is.
canceled.
It is West
I
Texas.
think we need
so
to
let's
cancel
remember
that.
that.
Let's cancel that. 86 that.
Isn't it true you're in a relationship with Denzel Washington?
Not Denzel.
That guy from County Court 1.
Well, maybe he's called that, but
Dennis
no.
Washington. Dennis Washington.
Denise Watson?
Dennis Watson.
Dennis.
Okay, yes.
How many children have you birthed?
2.
Which is your favorite?
Oh, I have to say I love them both. Now they're very different.
Is it your government name Laura?
My government?
Yeah, your official birth certificate name, is it Laura?
Yes.
Okay, so what does Lori get you?
So Lori was my nickname given by my mother, who was a hopeless romantic, who her favorite movie was Dr. Zhivago. And if anybody knows the song
Dr.
The Love
Zhivago.
Theme from Dr. Zhivago, that song is called Lori.
It takes years off your name.
I know.
It makes me think of Mean Girls, though.
Oh,
Yeah.
for Lori or Laura?
It sounds
Lori.
like a mall rat. It sounds like a really fun name.
Yeah.
Well, it's not an L-O-R-I. It's L-A-U-R-I-E. So
That's
that
very
softens it a
distinguished.
little bit.
That's very distinguished. Eraser.
Were you a good kid?
I had my moments where I wasn't, but for the most part, yes. I mean, I'm being honest. I got sworn in.
Sworn in, got to tell the truth. How old were you when you got your ears pierced?
Oh, my goodness. I think I was 15.
Oh, okay. She was good.
Do you have a will?
I do.
A prenup?
No.
How much money will it take for you to retire?
Well, not enough.
What's your God-given hair color?
Brown.
Have you ever received a permanent?
Yes.
What kind of hair product do you use?
Redken.
Next Halloween,
Oh, gosh.
will you go as Sarah Countrywoman?
No.
Caitlyn Jenner?
I wish. No.
Kamala Harris?
No.
Natalie Laurent, but a more modest version.
I'm more
Covered up.
covered up.
Cover up. You better
Probably
cover
not.
up. Cover up.
If you saw this, I would just say no.
Next.
How often do you check social media?
I would say once to twice a day, honestly. But that all started with this campaign.
So you check it more often during the campaign.
Well, I never had social media prior to this campaign.
What apps do you use?
Just Facebook is really the only one I'm using on that.
Are you posting, commenting,
Both.
trolling hot threads?
The eraser doesn't know what that means.
She has no idea.
I'm going to say no on that one. We're going to keep that one right there.
Beg your
Wait.
pardon.
Was the Turnpike Troubadour song about you?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. And have you cried in the last year?
Oh, absolutely.
Month?
Yes.
Week?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Sum up your life philosophy in a word or phrase.
Oh, wow. Honesty, compassion, loyalty.
Nice. I like that. It's a phrase, Paula. That's her phrase.
Did I just steal yours?
No.
She did good on that one.
More than
Okay,
one
let's
word.
keep it moving.
What's one thing people don't know about you that you want them to know?
Probably the one thing that most people don't know is that I went to college on a full ride golf scholarship.
Whoa.
Nice.
Did not start playing golf until I was a sophomore in high school, and my goal was I just want to win a tournament and be nationally ranked. I accomplished that my junior year, won my second tournament my senior year.
How far can you mash it?
Well, not very far anymore, as I've had back surgery and a torn rotator cuff.
How far could you mash it?
I'd say my drives were probably around 250, 260.
Dang.
We're going to need verification. Do you have video or pictures of that?
From a long time ago. So yeah, that's when I had a
No
perm,
video,
so
it
you may
didn't
not
happen.
recognize me.
Was it confusing for people when you changed your name
Yes.
from Laura to Lori?
Well, actually, I've always gone by Laura from a legal standpoint.
How about from Smashburger to Watson?
From Smashburger to Watson. Well, I did a
That is
hyphenated for a while.
You did? Okay.
Oh, you did?
That's good.
I
like
did
the
that to try to
hyphenated.
transition
It's
and
bad
dropped
for
it down.
jerseys. How many mediations have you conducted?
Oh, hundreds.
How about cases? How many cases have you tried?
Hundreds.
At a girl.
Very good.
Assuming you're the top dog, who's the second best family law attorney and mediator in Montgomery County?
Oh, that is a tough one. We have some really good attorneys out there. I don't know that I could actually give a direct answer. There's a ton of them out there that I would take as co-counsel or love to go up with any day of the week.
What's the meanest thing you've said to a parent as an amicus attorney?
You're screwing up.
Did that make them cry?
When I went on to explain how they were hurting their children and put their children in the middle, I've had a couple of them to have.
Did we ask this? What's the most humble job you've ever had?
Being a mother.
Nice.
If you could be
Eraser.
anything other than an attorney or a judge, what would you be?
It would be doing something where I would continue to deal with children, serve on boards. Like I'm already on a number of boards that service and assist children already. I would probably focus more on that.
What's your favorite lawyer movie or show?
My Cousin Vinny.
What's your favorite place you've ever been?
I would say actually Argentina.
Argentina.
What's the fastest you've ever gone in a car?
I'm going to have to pass on that one.
Who's smarter, you or Dennis?
Definitely me, according to Dennis.
Would you rather be whacked in the head by a Nerf bat by Aaron Judge or lightly trampled during the running of the Bulls in Pamplona?
Since I've already been whacked in the head with the Nerf bat, I'm going to go with that one.
Okay. Aaron Judge is a beast, though.
Yeah, he is.
What's a better
big
pet, a fruit bat or a titmouse?
Ugh. Neither one of those really apply to me.
100-yard dash, you versus Steven Jackson, the attorney not in the NFL running back. Who coughs first?
Probably Steve.
Would you rather eat Texans tube steak with Deshaun Watson after a couple's massage or uncooked marl burgers with Mattress Mac for what would ultimately be his last meal?
Well, if those were my only two options, I think I'm going to have to go for the latter with Mattress Mac.
Mattress Mac, last meal, buddy. We love you, Mattress Mac.
We do. He's a good guy.
Rusty Hardin or Tony Busby?
Rusty Hardin.
Why does Deshaun Watson need so many massages?
That's an excellent question, but, you know, the question is that really a massage?
Yeah, well, 40 plus, you know, you'd think he would have found one that he likes by now, but he hasn't.
Did you love the hot seat?
I thought this was fun.
Atta girl, good
Very
job.
good. Very good.
Lori Watson, excellent job. Rolled with it.
Indeed, thank you. Well, today